Hi guys, I'm Dr. Vinod Pankaj Mishra and you are welcome in my YouTube channel Pankaj Institute of English. So dear friends, I am here with 500 MCQs of modern period. Dear friends, I have completed from question number 1 to 303 up to part 13. This is part 14. Dear friends, these questions are very useful for competitive exam. तो यदि आप भी इसी प्रकार के क्वेश्चन जानना चाहते हैं, सीखना चाहते हैं तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कीजिए पंकज इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंग्लिश तथा इसे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक और शेयर करिए. Let's start our first question 304. Name the book written by Hilary Belloy wherein the writer talks of the state in which the individual weighs little against bureaucracy and despotism. Option A, the fortress. Option B, Easter batters. Option C, cautionary tales. And option D, the servile state. The servile state. Option D is the correct answer. Now question number 305. Father Brown series by G.K. Chesterton is a series of option A lyrical ballads, option B detective stories, option C discursive essays and option D fantasies. So detective stories. Father Brown series by G.K. Chesterton is a series of detective stories. Option B is the correct answer. Now question number 306. Who wrote under the pseudonym of Alpha of the Plough? Alpha of the Plough. Option A, E.V. Lewis. Option B, A.G. Gardiner. Option C, Charles Lamb. And option D, William Hazlitt. So A.G. Gardiner is the correct answer. Option B is the correct answer. Now question number 307. A.G. Gardner was the editor of. A.G. Gardner was the editor of option A Daily News, option B The Critic, option C The Critic, and option D The Mystic. So the correct answer is Daily News. Option A is the correct answer. Option A is the correct answer. Now question number 308. Pebble on the shore and windfalls and many furrow are the works of. Again listen the question. Pebble on the shore and windfalls and many furrow are the works of. Option A Hilary Belloy, option B E.B. Lucas, option C A.G. Gardner and option D Aldous Huxley. So A.G. Gardner, option C is the correct answer. Now question number 309. William D. Morgan wrote his first novel Joseph Vance at the age of option A 30, option B 40, option C 50 and option D 60. So William D. Morgan wrote his first novel Joseph Vance at the age of 60. Option D is the correct answer. Now question number 310. Identify Harley Granville Barker's superlatively good social comedy which was probably the best naturalistic play of the period. Option A somehow good. Option C The Boy's Inheritance. Option C Over Bemerton and option D A Christmas Garland. So option B The Boy's Inheritance is the correct answer. Now question number 311. Rudyard Kipling was born in option A Dublin, option B London, option C Rome and option D Bombay. So Bombay is the correct answer. Option D Bombay is the correct answer. Now question number 312. Ganga Din, Fuzzy Buzzy, Mandalay are Rudyard Kipling's. Option A ballads, option B lyrics, option C stories and option D sonnets. So the correct answer is ballad. Option A is the correct answer. Now question number 313. Who wrote Shiv and the Grasshopper? The love song of Hardayal and Mother O' Mine. Option A Robert Bridges, Option B, W. H. Davis. Option C, Rudyard Kipling. And option D, all of above. So, Rudyard Kipling, option C is the correct answer. Now question number 314. Rudyard Kipling narrates the story of a boy who wanders about in India with a holy man in his most famous work titled option A, Captain Courageous, option B, Kim, option C, The Brushwood Way, and option D, The Jungle Book. So option B, Kim is the correct answer. Now question number 315. C.M. Doughty is a travelogue writer whose most popular work is option A Arabia Dis, Dis, Arabia Deserta, option B Soldier 3, option C Tavius and Angel, option D none of these. So the correct answer is option A Arabia Deserta is the correct option A is the correct answer. So these dear friends, these questions are very useful for competitive exams, so listen these questions as much as you can. Now question number 316. The anatomist Tobias and the angel and Mr. Balfry are the works of option A Lytton Strachey, option B T. E. Lawrence, option C C. M. Doughty, and option D James Brady. So James Brady, option D is the correct answer. Option D is the correct answer. Now question number 317. Who wrote Basic English and its Uses, the philosophy of rhetoric and speculative instruments? Option A Stephen Spencer, option B I. A. Richard, option C F. R. Lewis, and option D Matthew Arnold. So I. A. Richards, option B is the correct answer. Now question number 318. Who wrote The Common Pursuit, Evaluation and Education, and the University? Again listen the question. Who wrote The Common Pursuit, Evaluation and Education, and the University? Option A Thomas Carlyle, option B F. R. Lewis, option C Aldous Huxley, and option D T. S. Eliot. So option B F. R. Lewis is the correct answer. Now question number 319. Which work of David Michael Jones give an account of his experience during the First World War? Option A Epoch and Artist, option B Anathemata, option C in parenthesis, and option D none of these. So option C in parenthesis is the correct answer. Now question number 320. Name the play of Henry Arthur Jones which has thrilling climax and whose every sentence is the work of a genius, and which has Sir Daniel Cartwright and Felicia Hindmarsh as its important character. Option A Mrs. Dan's Defense, option B The Silver King, option C The Middleman, and option D Judah. So option A Mrs. Dan's Defense is the correct answer. Now question number 321. I will arise and go now, and go to Innisfree, and a small cabin built there of clay and battles made. These lines are from W.B. Yeats' poem The Lake of Innisfree. Innisfree. What is Innisfree? Option A It is only an imaginary island. Option B It symbolizes England. Option C It is a real island and near Ireland, and option D it is an island on coastal France. So the correct answer is option C. It is a real island near Ireland. Now question number 322. The tragic plays of John's Galsworthy are. Yes, the tragic plays of John Galsworthy are option A social tragedy, option B political tragedy, option C lyrical tragedies, option D psychological tragedies. So option A social tragedies is the correct answer. Now question number 323. What is the name of the mother who loses all her sons in the play Rider to the Sea by J.M. Singe? So option A Nora, option B Kathleen, option C Bartley and option D Moria. So option D Moria is the correct answer. Now question number 324. Who has published his essay under the title I for One? Option A C.P. Snow, option B J.B. Priestley, option C Walter Pater and option D Leslie Stephen. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is J.B. Priestley. Option B is the correct answer. नाउ डियर फ्रेंड, दिस इज़ द सेकेंड लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ दिस वीडियो. यदि आपको इस प्रकार के वीडियो पसंद आए तो इन्हें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए और यदि आप चैनल के लिए नए हैं तो प्लीज़ इसे सब्सक्राइब करिए, बेल आइकन को प्रेस करिए ताकि इस प्रकार के वीडियो के अपडेट आपको प्राप्त हो सके. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 325. इन वन ऑफ हिज novels, Hardy says happiness is but an occasional episode in the general drama of pain. Name the novel. Option A Jude the Obscure, option B The Mayor of Casterbridge, option C Tess of the D'Urberville and option D Return of the Native. So option B is the correct answer. This is the last question. What is the title of Observe Sitwell's autobiography? Option A So I Lived, option B Myself, option C My Home, option C Left Hand and Right Hand. So the correct answer is option D. आई होप कि आपको इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चन पसंद आए होंगे. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.